10 inventive ideas for that space under the stairs. If you have several low-light houseplants, you can create a cozy little nook for them right under your stairs, just as plant-loving Kate of Tribe and Us has done here. Starting with built-in shelving, she wove in her plants among decorative items like baskets and books, turning that random spot into a mini green paradise. This is another instance when built-in shelving comes in handy with those spaces under the stairs. The team at Regan Baker Design set up an impressive library under the stairs, adjacent to the dining room and oh so stylish with small, decorative objects mixed in. If you have a treasure trove of books that are sitting in a box, this is a fantastic way to give them the spotlight. When you entertain, it can be handy to have a wet bar on hand to craft concoctions or crack open a bottle of wine. This wet bar, designed by Courtney Bishop Design, is conveniently right off of the living room and stands at the ready for cocktail hours and dinner parties with friends. That spot under the stairs is a home run option when it comes to clever storage. It's as easy as installing some simple cabinetry or drawers, transforming that spot into a sophisticated way to store essentials. John Bynum Custom Homes used this space under the stairs as storage for pet must-haves. Melissa of At This Little House of Ours looked at this space under her stairs and saw an opportunity to create a stylish workspace. Keep it minimal with a desk that fits easily in the space, and if you like, you can take it one step further and also construct a reading nook like Melissa did here. If you'd love a spot where you can show off decorative items that are near and dear to you, but you're short on space, look no further than that space under the stairs. Construct some shelving and showcase your beloved decor. In this case, white decor juxtaposes beautifully against black shelving in a space captured by photographer Madeline Tall. How's this for a bit of luxury? If you're a wine aficionado, you're sure to get inspired by this under the stairs wine cave created by Contract Development Inc. Install glass so you can see your wine collection in plain sight, which is sure to be a conversation starter among your guests. When you're living in a really small home, even a tiny home perhaps, every morsel of space is precious. That's why this particular space solution from General Assembly is so ingenious. When the area isn't being used as a workspace, the cabinet opens up and provides a fold-out bed. This is incredibly convenient, especially if you need to grab a few ZZs in between work projects. It can be challenging to find enough space to stash kids' toys and other essentials, which is why this idea from Lorna of It for the love of Grige is so brilliant. She filled her space under the stairs with her daughter's playroom necessities, like books, stuffed animals and other items neatly put away into bins. Instead of devoting an entire room to the laundry, why not just put it under the stairs? Using custom-built slots crafted by Brickhouse Kitchens and Baths, the washer and dryer fit perfectly in this space, which means the homeowners can turn that laundry room into a den or an office. Now that's smart design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.